Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Marvel Rivals characters. To begin, familiarize yourself with the three core character roles: Vanguard, Duelist, and Strategist. Each hero possesses distinct abilities and a powerful ultimate. Mastering movement, like wall running and aerial maneuvers, is absolutely key. Remember, building a balanced team for 6 versus 6 combat is essential for securing victory. Vanguards are your front line, absorbing incoming damage and initiating engagements. Duelists specialize in high damage output, focusing on eliminating key enemy targets quickly. Strategists offer vital support, providing healing, buffs, or crowd control to turn the tide. Combining these roles effectively creates powerful team synergies, maximizing your team's overall potential in every match. Understanding your character's primary and secondary abilities is fundamental. Crucially, timing your ultimate ability for maximum impact during team fights can swing the entire match. Coordinate your abilities with your 5 teammates to unleash devastating combos. Dedicate time to practicing various ability sequences in the training ground to refine your execution and precision. Beyond individual skill, strategic map play is vital. Utilize environmental hazards and cover to gain an advantage or escape danger. Always maintain strong map awareness to anticipate enemy movements and rotations. Communicate effectively with your 5 teammates, sharing crucial information. Ultimately, focusing on objective control is the surest path to securing victory in every single game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.